Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 in its black colour. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this particular S24 was picked up on sale in Australia. Many of the Australian retailers have it severely discounted at $500 off at the moment. So I'll leave a few links down below if you're interested in picking one up. It's often a good time to buy the previous year's model when the new ones come out. So when the S25s came out, these ones went on sale. So it was quite a good deal for a very good phone. So we'll take a look around the box first before getting straight into it. So on the front, you can see it says Galaxy S24 in white, and it's got almost like a silhouette of the phone on front with the 3 cameras. On the right-hand side, it says Samsung with a little security seal. On the top, there's nothing. On the other side, it says Galaxy S24. And then on the back, we've got some information about some of the storage and other regulatory information. And then it says recycled packaging. And then on the bottom, we've got some information about the model number, the fact it's got 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, and it's also in the Onyx black color. So we'll get straight into the unboxing experience now. So what we'll do is pull these 2 pull tabs here. Like so. And then I will also have to get my unboxing knife in to open the security seal. And then we can open up the box. And then we're presented with the S24 itself right on top. So we'll take that out and we'll put that to the side for now. And then in terms of that, there's nothing else in the bottom. At first I was confused. I thought, where's the charging cable? But then I realized it's in the top. So there's this little pouch that says Samsung here. And then we'll just open it up here. And then we've got some extra information about Samsung Care, and then the package contents, and then a warranty card. And then we've also got a SIM ejector tool in there. And then we've got a USB-C to C cable. So that's what you'll use for charging with a USB-C compatible brick, or you can use any other combo of USB-C cable and brick if you would like to. So that's pretty much all you get in the box. So now we'll take a closer look at the device itself. So if we flip it around to the front, it does have a protective film on it. So we'll just peel it up. Like so. Put that to the side. And here is the S24 itself. So you can see it's got a really nice flat front display. This is 6.2 inches. And then around the sides, we've got the aluminium frame. So we'll take a look around the phone here. So here's the 6.2 inch OLED display on the front. On the top, we've just got what presumably is a few microphone holes and also an antenna band. We've got the volume rocker and the power sleep wake button on the right hand side. On the bottom, we've just got the USB-C port as well as a speaker, or presuming that's a speaker, and also a SIM card tray and another microphone, I think. And then on the left-hand side, there's nothing. On the back, we've got the Samsung logo, and then we've also got the triple camera setup with the flash as well. So you have a main, a telephoto, and an ultra-wide camera. I'm not sure which order it's in, but they're the 3 cameras that you get with this device. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing experience of the Samsung Galaxy S24. It does look to be a really great phone, and the fact that you can get it for a fraction of the cost of the new S25s is a really good value proposition. I believe that the Ultras are also $500 off at the moment, so they come down to around $1,400 or $1,500 Australian dollars. And this one was around $737, I believe. So very good deal overall. And you're getting a lot of good features for that money. So let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see a long-term review after a few months of using this device, because I'm more than happy to make that if you would like to see that. But with that, that's pretty much the entire unboxing experience. So hopefully this video was really helpful and it's given you a good idea of what's included in the box and a little bit about the overall design of the device itself. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. and I'll see you all in the next video.